Today we have come up with another new strategy. For quite some time, we have been coming up with different strategies, and we are sharing new topics so that you can benefit from watching those videos. However, today we will share a new one. So stay with us. Hello viewers, I am an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. Today we will share a new video with you, and here we will do an analysis using some indicators. Indicators include UT-bot, higher high lower low strategy, and Bollinger Band. I will analyze through these three indicators and show the entry from the market so that you can get the complete idea from this video. So this video is very important, so everyone watch carefully. Let's discuss at the beginning how you set up these indicators. We will set up these indicators at the beginning. Although you all know how to set up, but we need to do some setting. We will show the topic, so we will set up three indicators, one by one. First, if you search by writing UT-bot, this indicator will come in front of you. Then after clicking once, it will be set up. Then we will set up the second indicator. So you have to search by writing its name. You will search by writing the name of this indicator. We write the name higher high lower low strategy. Be sure to note here, because there are many indicators with the same name, so you have to be careful which one we are selecting. Next to it, the name of the provider of the indicator is given. Then set up the last Bollinger Band indicator. Anyway, we have set up three indicators now. What we need to do is to set these three indicators. That's why we first come to the setting option of the indicator. We come to the setting icon of the UT-bot indicator. Here we come to the input option. Below you can see your two options. We will select 3 in the first option. If 3 is given, then you don't have to do anything. If not, you will submit 3. Then if you click OK, this indicator is done. Then we come to the setting option of the second indicator. Then come to this option. You will remove the tick mark from all the options except the two options, higher high and lower low. If you just click once, the tick mark will be removed. Then if you click on OK, the work of this indicator will be finished, and finally we will set the Bollinger Band indicator. You don't have to do anything in the Bollinger Band indicator. Just go to the settings option and then select 30 in the length option of the input page. Then submit 3 in this option below. You should submit 3 instead of 2. After that, the work is done. Now, the work is done analysis through these indicators. We have set up each indicator and done the necessary settings. You must have seen a lot of changes between the indicators. So now let's see how to do the analysis. Here we have to do analysis using these three indicators, so we have to keep some things in mind. There are some criteria we will follow and take buy and sell entries. So watch the video till the end for details. In the beginning, we will talk about how to take a sell entry from here. There are some criteria. You have to follow some rules, the first of which is that our first indicator must have a sell signal. Surely you can see something written in the chart. Somewhere is written buy, and somewhere is written sell. The indicator that we have set up first, called UT-bot, provides signals. That means when the market starts to uptrend, then this indicator shows a buy signal, and when the market starts to go downtrend, this indicator shows a sell signal. So the UT-bot indicator must have a sell signal to take a sell entry. Then the second criterion is the market will break the recent lows. You can see some other writings like LL and HH next to the candle. These mean lower lows and higher highs. LL stands for lower low and HH stands for higher high. So according to our second criterion, the market should go down and break the recent low. And the last criterion is that the market will cross the middle band of the Bollinger Band and go down, but not cross the lower band. You must know these bands. The line you see in the middle is called the middle band, and the line you see at the bottom is called the lower band, and the top line is called the upper band. So our final rule is that the market will cross the middle band and go down, but not cross the lower band. If these things are correct, then you can take a sell entry. We are showing you such a placement from the market as you can see on the screen. Here we have a sell signal from our first indicator, that is from the UT bot indicator. Sell is written next to it. Then if we look at the second indicator, we can see below there is written LL, which means lower low. It is closest to the current market, and the market went downtrend and broke this recent lower low. So here our second criterion is okay. And lastly, if we use the Bollinger Band indicator, then we see the market has crossed the middle band, but not crossed the lower band, then everything is fine here. So the three criteria we talked about are correct here. So entry can be taken from such placements. If we look at the next movement of the market, then you can see that the market has gone into a downtrend. That means it has gone down. So if you follow this way, then you will get very good feedback. So watch the video carefully and try to understand how we are doing the analysis. We have shared how to take a sell entry. You can follow this analysis to take buy entry. That's why you have to follow the reverse. We will talk about this. In taking a buy entry, we have to follow opposite rules. Then we used to wait for a sell position, but now we will wait for a buy position. There are three criteria. For example, the UT bot indicator should have a buy signal at the beginning. Second, the higher high indicator should cross the market recent HH level, and the market will cross the middle band of the Bollinger Band indicator, but not cross the upper band. If these three things are correct, then you can take a buy entry. The placement you see now is a placement for sell. The UT bot indicator is providing a buy signal. Here is written buy. Then the market broke the previous high and went up. That means it broke the recent HH level. And lastly, the market crossed the middle band but didn't cross the upper band. Then this is the perfect placement to take an entry. If we look at the next movement of the market, then you can see that the market is going to trend up. So if you take an entry in this way, you can make a profit. If you do this analysis, you will get very good feedback. Remember, this is a very effective analysis. After that, the market makes a very good movement, so it will be a bit easier to profit. I hope you understand today's analysis, but if you have any problem, feel free to comment. Forex BD is ready to help you in any way. Also, if you have any suggestion or request, you can leave a comment. This is today's video. Before ending the video, let's take a look at how to take a sell entry. As you can see on the screen, here we have a sell signal from our first indicator, that is from the UT bot indicator. Sell is written next to it. Then if we look at the second indicator, we can see below there is written LL, which means lower low. It is closest to the current market, and the market went downtrend and broke this recent lower low. So here our second criterion is okay. And lastly, if we use the Bollinger Band indicator, then we see the market has crossed the middle band, but not crossed the lower band, then everything is fine here. So the three criteria we talked about are correct here. So entry can be taken from such placements.
We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house, or payment gateway. You must use the FOREX BD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that FOREX BD can meet your needs all the time.